Looking to get some mad Password JDM downforce on the front end of your STI? Look no further, because these are the Password JDM carbon fiber front canards. What's up, guys? Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me, I have the Password JDM carbon fiber canards. Now, these are going to be specific for the 08 through 14 STI, and these are the lower canards, which of course they make upper canards as well, and they do come in like carbon Kevlar, dry carbon, but these are just the standard beautiful carbon fiber canards. Now, this is everything you're going to get. They do have holes. I don't know if you guys can see that, if the light will reflect properly, and they're not holes, they're just basically marks, and that's where you're going to drill and put some hardware through to securely mount this. But the nice thing about this is specifically designed for the front bumper of the 08 through 14 STI. Now, of course, being lower canards, these will be pretty close to the ground, but the whole benefit of going with a canard is for the added downforce. It's an easy, inexpensive way to get some extra downforce or some front end grip, or just some style points if that's what you're going for as well. But if you do go out to the track, you will actually notice a difference, especially if you combine this with like a splitter, you know, both the lower and upper canards. You're really maximizing the downforce on that front end of the vehicle to, you know, maximize grip, especially through high-speed corners. And you can use stuff like this to balance out between the rear wing and the front end of the car and really get the desired grip and handling that you want. But these are an awesome piece. Of course, this beautiful carbon fiber weave, and it is carbon fiber through and through. There's no, you know, fiberglass in there or anything like that. It's just a very simple carbon fiber, very lightweight. And like I said, 100% molded to the body of the STI, so it's going to be nice and flush. It's going to look proper, and it's going to just be absolutely a stunning, stunning piece once you get these things installed. But it also comes with a UV coating on there, so, you know, of course, anything that gets exposed to the sun and the heat, it will eventually start to fade, and carbon fiber is incredibly susceptible to that. So the UV coating will help prevent that, which is always a benefit, because you never want to put on something and, you know, within like 2 weeks it's already starting to fade. So these will last a very long time. Very high quality pieces from Password JDM. Absolutely beautiful. I'm a big fan of these, and they just look absolutely gorgeous and very well made, very high quality pieces all around. Of course, they come with left and right, and just very cool. Check them out. It's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box, my friends. We will see you guys next time.